Jai Hind. I am Cadet Yashashvi Singh Kushwaha at Regiment number RAJ-SD 2020-630017 from Turaj Engineering Company, NCC Ajmer, Udaipur Group, Rajasthan Directorate. I am currently doing BTech from Engineering College Ajmer. I have recently attended my CATC camp and I have learned discipline, drills and knowledge about weapons in Indian Army. And I am going to talk about Rajasthan tourism in this video. So let's start. Khamba Ghani, that's how they treat in Rajasthan. From Thar Desert to snow in Mount Abu, from great forts of kings to tiger in reserve park, Rajasthan plays a very important role in tourism in India. Rajasthan has 8 UNESCO sites: Ranthambore Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Amir Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Kevladev National Park, Jantar Mantar and Gangaur Fort. This fort is Chittorgarh Fort. This is made by Maharaja Kumbha. This fort has very famous story about Padmavati, how she killed herself in way to protect herself from Khilji. This fort is Kumbhalgarh Fort. This fort was made by Rana Kumbha and this fort was made in 15th century. This fort has second largest boundary in world. Jantar Mantar is a collection of astronomical instruments built by Savai Jai Singh II because of his interest in astronomy. Thousands of birds comes in Kevladev National Park in winter season, especially the Siberian cranes. This fort was made by Raja Man Singh in 17th century and this fort is famous for its Ambe Mata temple. Rajasthan tourism mainly attract tourists to visit forts and national parks like Saiska National Park, Ranthambore National Park and Kevladev National Park and forts like Mehrangarh Fort, Amir Fort and Bala Qila. These forts are very famous for their wide histories. Cities also plays an important role in tourism like Jodhpur the Blue City, Jaipur the Pink City, Udaipur the City of Lakes and Jaisalmer the Golden City. During the rule of Savai Ram Singh I in Jaipur, the city was painted pink to welcome Edward, Prince of the Wales, who later became King Edward. Majority of Brahmin live in Jodhpur. That's why they painted their house blue because blue is a symbol of peace and Lord Shiva and to protect their home from sunlight. Because of its natural and beautiful lakes, Udaipur is called City of Lakes. Tourists are also attracted to fairs like Pushkar Fair, Bikaner Camel Fair, Kaila Devi Fair, Gogaji Fair and Mahavirji Fair. Pushkar Fair is very famous for its camel and horses fair and it occurs in month of Kartik. It is oldest fairs in India. In this fair, the married women worship goddess Parvati for long and good health of their husband and unmarried women worship the god to get a good husband. Photographers are very attracted towards the Kevladev National Park as they can see different birds in time of winter and the safaris like tiger safari, lion safari and the desert safari. Saiska and Ranthambore National Park are very famous for tigers. Like Ranthambore is famous for former hunting ground of the royal kings and the home of tiger, leopard and crocodiles. Trekkers are mainly attracted towards Rajasthan as of Aravalli Hills. The highest peak of Aravalli Hills is in Guru Shikhar, Udaipur. And if we talk about rivers, then Rajasthan has Chambal River, Luni River, Banas River and Kali Singh River. They are mainly attracted towards the tourism. Rajasthan is best location for all type of culture. If modern culture, there are malls and many places like photography, traveling, trekking and for rural culture there are many fairs. The best time to travel to Rajasthan is in winter season or in rainy season. As of cities like Ajmer, Ranthambore, Jodhpur, Bharatpur, the lakes and rivers are at its peak and some of the waterfalls also begin to flow in these cities and transport system of Rajasthan is very good. You can go here and there by their roadways buses. So here we end our video by the slogan of rice scientists, Padharo